If your car looks clean until sunlight hits the floor mats, I've been there. I bought and tested 5 of the most talked about options trying to find the best car vacuum cleaner that actually works. I used them on sand, pet hair, crumbs, and real-life messes so you don't waste money guessing. Product number 1, DEWALT20V Handheld Vacuum Cordless. When I first picked up the DEWALT20V handheld vacuum, it felt solid and job site tough, not like a plastic car gadget. The grip felt good in my hand, and the built-in LED light actually helped when I was cleaning under seats and deep footwells. During testing, the suction impressed me. It pulled up sand, gravel, and even tiny screws without slowing down. I also noticed the HEPA filter kept fine dust from blowing back into the car, which mattered after cleaning drywall debris. The attachments were genuinely useful, especially the crevice tool and flexible hose for tight spaces. Battery life was strong with a larger DEWALT battery, but remember it's sold separately. If you already own DEWALT tools, this vacuum makes a ton of sense. From heavy-duty cleanup, I moved on to something built more for pet owners. Product number 2, Pet Hair Handheld Vacuum Cordless 20,000 PA. When I held this purple pet hair vacuum, it felt lighter than the DEWALT but more polished for everyday use. The motorized roller brush immediately stood out, especially once I ran it over dog hair on my seats. During testing, the suction was strong enough to pull hair embedded in carpet, not just surface stuff. I liked having Eco and Max modes because Eco saved battery when I was doing quick cleanups. The dust bin is way bigger than most handhelds, which meant I didn't have to empty it constantly. Battery life landed right where I expected, giving me enough time to clean my car and couch in one go. The LED light helped in dark corners, and cleanup was easy with the washable filters. If you have pets that live in your car or on your furniture, this one's hard to beat. After that, I tried something a lot more compact and multifunctional. Product number 3, IYOFINE Vacuum Air Duster 4-in-1. The IYOFINE felt surprisingly small when I picked it up, almost like a tech gadget instead of a vacuum. It's light, easy to hold, and the case made it feel travel-ready. When I tested it, the suction was stronger than I expected for its size, especially on crumbs and fine dust. What really stood out was the air duster feature. I used it to blow debris out of vents and keyboards, which saved time. Switching power levels was simple, and the battery lasted through multiple quick jobs. I also tried the inflating function on a pool float, and it actually worked. This isn't meant for deep carpet cleaning, but it shines for light car messes and electronics. If you want a compact tool that does more than just vacuum, this one's fun to use. After that, I tested a similar idea with more traditional vacuum power. Product number 4, MONOZEL Cordless Car Vacuum 18,000 PA. When I grabbed the MONOZEL vacuum, it felt balanced and comfortable, not too heavy but still sturdy. The trigger response was quick, and the LED light helped immediately in tight spaces. During testing, the suction handled pet hair, sand, and crumbs without struggling, especially in max mode. The brushless motor stayed fairly quiet, making it easier to use indoors. Battery life was solid for a full car cleanup, and charging with USB-C was convenient. Emptying the dust cup was simple and didn't make a mess. This vacuum works well if you want strong performance without a bulky design. It felt like a good middle ground between power and portability. From there, I tried the lightest option of the group. Product number 5, 4-in-1 Portable Vacuum Cleaner 16,000 PA. The first thing I noticed with this vacuum was how light it felt in my hand. At under a pound, it was easy to maneuver around seats and cup holders. During testing, the suction handled everyday messes like crumbs and dust just fine, especially in max mode. I liked the dual-ended design because I could switch from vacuuming to blowing without swapping tools constantly. The accessories were useful for tight gaps and carpets, though it's not meant for heavy debris. Battery life was enough for quick cleanups, and charging was fast and easy. The one-click dust release worked smoothly, and the filters were simple to rinse out. If you want something ultra-portable for quick maintenance rather than deep cleaning, this one fits the bill nicely. So that's my hands-on take after testing all 5. Each one fits a different kind of driver and mess. Check the links in the description for current prices and deals, and grab the one that actually matches how dirty your car gets.